Alright, what's up guys? Day 2 here, the Camry progress. Letting the garage warm up a little bit. I do want to get the car on jack stands today, get the wheels off, suspension, all that, and start working on some fitment stuff. I also do need to get the brakes done, but I'm waiting for my dad to come over and help me with the drums. I definitely want to learn how to do those for the future, so I'll probably watch him and film a little bit of that as well. Quick little thing here today. Got this envelope from HellSent. Got some cool stickers in there. This is actually a license plate frame I got from them a while ago. I actually want to fill this whole window up right here with slaps and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna open those up real quick. If you want to check them out, I will leave a link to their Instagram in the description. Got the anti-everything club. Probably slap that on right there. Got the Satanic Boys. Got the garage a little warm here, so I figured I'd throw these on real quick. I think that looks pretty good. Good start to the window. This car is actually surprisingly clean for being 88. Definitely gotta change these out, but there's like no rust under there whatsoever. All the pinch welds are solid. Hopefully it's not too hard to work on. Before I mess with anything, I want to spray some PB Blaster on it all and let it sit. Definitely don't want these bolts breaking. I did end up ordering a set of the SSR Type C stickers for the wheels that originally came on there. Hopefully those will be in soon. I think it'll give it a nice little touch. I'm actually going to go ahead and remove the fender liners as well because I'm trying to go super low, so we're not going to really need them. It's like the most intense fender liner I've ever seen. It goes all the way from the front of the car, all the way through the back fender. But we got it out. Got plenty of room for going low. Just start hammering all these tabs up. After beating on it with a hammer, that's like 20 years worth of dirt flying out of there. But looking pretty clear now. Just got the first bolt out of the suspension. Got my impact gun here. Can hardly see right now, but hopefully I can fit this thing in where the second one is. Finally got those off. I actually had to cut that bracket that was holding the brake line, otherwise you would never get it out of there. But just gotta undo the top ones right here and then I can get the strut out. Just got those 3 undone. Hopefully this should just pull right out now. we go. The old shitty suspension. Did a little test fit of the wheel here. I got the spacer on. Looks pretty good. I don't think the wheel will camber in as much when I have the suspension on. So I think it'll kind of sit farther this way, but that should be perfect. Just got the second fender liner out. This side actually has a bunch of crap in here. Need to grab my hammer real quick. Kind of glad I took these off, just so I can get all this dirt and shit out. Just like handfuls of dirt. Now the same thing with the other side. I'm just gonna hammer these tabs in. Dust everywhere. Just got those 2 bolts off, holding this side on. Just gotta crack these open now up here. Surprisingly, everything is coming off pretty easily so far. Gotta take these 3 out, and then the front suspension will be completely off. This is definitely hard to film with one hand, but I'm doing my best. Just had to cut that little slit right there in the brake line bracket so I can actually pull that out. Otherwise there's no way of getting it off without disconnecting the lines. Just like that, got it out. Now I can pull the suspension out. One-handed. Just got all the dirt picked up, all the screws and everything from the fender liners. Just kind of organizing stuff. I think I'm gonna call it a day for now, but pretty successful first day. Got the car on jack stands, got all the wheels off, got the front suspension completely off, which was surprisingly easy. Didn't break any bolts or anything. Probably work on the rears tomorrow or the next day and get the brakes done. And then I'm just waiting on my coilovers. Hopefully they should be here by Monday. Today is Wednesday, so after that I can get it back on the ground and go for a test drive. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time.